morning. Welcome to Morning Glory. This is Dr. Victor S.L. Tan. This morning, I'd like to share with you a topic that is very close to my heart, the joy of writing. As a writer, having written 8 different books on management, I'd like to share with you some of the insights that I have gathered as written these books during the many years of my life. Now first, I'd like to share with you, there are various myths about writing. A lot of people think that it takes a special skills or ability to write. I like to debunk this myth. Everyone has that ability to write if you find the joy in writing. Now, what are the joys in writing? Number one, as we write, it provides us an escape valve to lose ourselves, our identity. Every day we go through a routine type of our lives. In writing, it gives you a chance to explore and create new things. Secondly, the great joy of writing is that it provides a creative outlet for expression. Every human in us needs an outlet to express ourselves, to communicate to the world. Every one of us have messages, interesting things to share with the world. And in writing, it provides us that kind of opportunity to communicate it to the outside world. And the third joy is it provides us a platform of communication to reach out a wider audience than the people around us that we deal with every day. For example, if a person who writes an article or a book will eventually reach beyond the national borders as you promote your books overseas and so on. And next, of course, is also a tool to shape attitudes, change the thinking, and transform the lives of the people who read your books. And that is a great joy, knowing that as a human being, we can make a difference in somebody else's life. No joy can be greater than that joy of writing. And of course, another joy of writing is a form of entertainment and recreation. For many of us are trying very hard to find a way as an outlet to de-stress in this modern environment, trying to find an escape path for our stress. Writing is a good way, a good form of entertainment, a good way to relax and enjoy the company of ourselves, our mind, and our thinking. Another important aspect of joy of writing is it provides us the source to improve our knowledge and expertise in our fields. Many people write on what they know. As they build up their experiences, as they build up their knowledge, dealing with people, and also the work intricacies in the workplace. And finally, the joy of writing lies in a source to develop your credibility and a name for yourself. For the first-time writer, there is no greater joy than to see your byline printed on the newspaper, on the magazine, as you publish those articles of yours.